Define your own FSx for ONTAP file system best practices using Workload Factory. Workload Factory allows you to define and monitor your organization's proprietary best practices for FSx for ONTAP workloads. This lets you customize policies to fit your internal benchmarks, detect non-compliant storage resources automatically, and enforce continuous governance across your file systems. Let's see how it's done. In Workload Factory's homepage, click on the menu button on the left-hand side and click Well Architected. In the Well Architected section, click Rule Builder. Here you can see the custom rules that were created previously, their status, their last run results, and their details. Click Create New Rule. Using the AI interface, define the rule you want to implement in plain English, or select a sample prompt to get started. In this example, we'll choose the sample prompt which checks the existence of backups older than 30 days for non-production volumes. You can see the rule's description, manual guidance, condition, and remediation logic. Click Validate to run the rule. If the results are satisfactory, you can schedule the rule to alert you as needed. Remediation is not automated at this stage. Define your own FSx for ONTAP file system best practices using Workload Factory.